Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really neat little audio component, the KYNO PAM8406 mini amplifier board. This is a tiny digital power module, specifically a Class D amplifier, designed for DIY sound systems and projects. It's a 2.0 dual-channel stereo amplifier, meaning it supports two-channel audio input and provides separate left and right channel outputs. You can connect your audio source to its left and right inputs, and then connect the outputs directly to your left and right speakers for true stereo sound. One of the first things you notice about this board is just how small and lightweight it is. This makes it incredibly easy to integrate into all sorts of projects, whether you're building a custom set of active speakers, upgrading an old audio device, or creating a portable sound system. The manufacturer, KYNO, has really packed a lot into this little surface mount board. Despite its small size, this amplifier is rated at 5 watts per channel, giving you a total of 10 watts of power, 5W plus 5W. It operates on a 5-volt DC input, which is super convenient because you can power it directly from a USB port, a small power adapter, or even a battery pack, making it perfect for portable applications. The description mentions a wide voltage input, but specifically highlights the 5 VDC, which is its primary operating voltage. What's really impressive for such a small and affordable module is the inclusion of protection features. This amplifier board comes with built-in over-voltage, over-current, short-circuit, and even speaker short-circuit protection. If the amplifier detects an abnormal working status, like a short on the speaker terminals, it automatically interrupts the audio output. This is a fantastic feature that helps protect both the amplifier itself and your connected speakers from potential damage, which is a big plus for DIYers who might be experimenting. The goal with this type of Class D amplifier is to provide high-fidelity sound quality while keeping power consumption low, and this PAM8406 board aims to do just that. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to add amplification to a project without taking up much space or requiring a large power supply. Whether you're a seasoned sound system engineer or just getting started with DIY audio, this little module offers a simple, protected, and effective way to amplify your audio signal for stereo playback. Its ease of installation and use, combined with its protective features and decent power output for its size, make it a very appealing component for a wide range of audio applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.